In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the appropriate type and category in Freeagent. By the end, you'll feel confident explaining your bank transactions so your accounts and reports stay accurate and easy to understand. Let's start from the main dashboard in Freeagent. First, head over to the banking section. You'll see a tab labeled Banking in the main menu. Click that, and then choose the bank account you want to work with from the list that appears. Each account has its own set of transactions, so make sure you're in the right one, whether it's your main business account, a savings account, or something else. Inside that bank account, Freeagent highlights any unexplained transactions so they're easy to spot. These are usually shown in red, or you can view them all together under the Unexplained tab. Think of these as items that still need your input, so Freeagent knows what they relate to. Next, pick a transaction you want to tidy up. Click directly on that line to open the explanation options. This is where you'll tell Freeagent what the transaction was for and how it should be treated in your accounts. The first key choice you'll make is the type. This appears in a drop-down menu and will look slightly different depending on whether the transaction is money in or money out. For money out, common types include payment, which you'd use for everyday business expenses, bill payment, when you're paying off a bill you've already recorded, and purchase of capital asset, which is for larger, long-term items like equipment or machinery. For money in, typical options include invoice receipt for customer payments against an invoice, sales for income that isn't tied to a specific invoice, and money received from user, such as a director's loan going into the business. Once the type is set, you'll choose a category. This is another drop-down list that assigns the transaction to a specific area of your accounts, such as advertising and promotion, rent, or materials. The category you choose controls where the transaction shows up in your reports and on your tax return. So take a moment to pick the one that best reflects what actually happened. To make things clearer for your future self or for your accountant, add a short description. This could be who you paid, what it was for, or any detail that will jog your memory later. If you have a receipt or invoice, it's a good idea to attach it now by using the Add Attachment option. Keeping everything in one place really helps at year-end or during an audit. When you're happy with the type, category, and any notes or attachments, click the green Explain Transaction button. Freeagent will save your explanation, the transaction will turn green, and it will disappear from the unexplained list. Work through your remaining red items in the same way, and your bank will quickly become fully explained.